How you doing, YouTubers? Today we're going to be shooting the Winchester m14 co2 rifle. It's been modified with the bulk CO2 on a 20-ounce tank. We painted it desert camo. It's got a scope mount, full metal scope mount, red dot scope, and a bipod. We're going to be shooting at these cans down here, about 30 feet away, shooting BBs. So here we go. I'm gonna be shooting from left to right, and hopefully we can knock them down. First one is a water bottle. Second one. Third. I missed that. I missed that. I got it. Okay, now I'm gonna flip the clip over. Use my other ones and continue from left to right. That one can is not gonna fall, I don't think. I hit that a few times, and last can. There we go. Pretty nice little plinker. Beyond, 50 feet. Doesn't get that accurate, especially with BBs. I think it's more accurate with BBs and pellets. So I've just been shooting BBs in it. I did manage to hit the can down there. I don't know if we can zoom in. It's way down there. It's about 38 yards. Can you see that? I did hit that a few times with BBs. So maybe luck, maybe not, but thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. M14 CO2 rifle, Plinking with BBs. Thanks.